Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, I have no evidence at all that this correction is complete. Actually, I prefer still another move down into support. This move here to the upside, first of all, it looks corrective, and then also the move down fell short of reaching the 100% extension level, which is at $13.52. At least I would have liked to see it reach that level. Yeah, possibly a little lower, but it has failed to do so. And to be honest, all it has done since this last low was to rally correctively. You see that, especially here, the strong dip that we had. So that's not impulsive. And we've just really tested, basically retested the trend line from below of this trend channel. So the price broke out to the downside, retest, and now it sees a bearish reaction. Also, you can see we have actually 5 waves down. So we have a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so actually I need to move that B wave to here, yeah, to be completely correct. And so yeah, at the moment I would be in favor of another move down. So the 100% extension of the wave W, as I said, points to $13.52, 53. Should really to get a good look, go a little lower. What we can do to add to that would be to take the length of the A wave and then go to the high of the B to measure the length of the C. That's just another way of measuring targets. And here, a very common one is the 100% extension level that points towards $12.44. That's very close to the 1.38 extension of, just another way of measuring. So there's good Fibonacci confluence around 1240. Obviously, we've got our 1288 level as well. There are plenty of Fibonacci levels in this region. And essentially, as long as we stay below this corrective price channel and are not breaking to the upside here and, get back into the channel at least. So I'm calling that a channel. I did take the other line out actually. Yeah, the downside pressure should remain, right? Especially as long as we cannot really create an impulse to the upside. We had a 5-wave move down here in this A wave, of the 8th of December highs. A wave down, corrective B wave rally, and then the C wave down would be next into support. That's at least what I would prefer. I mean, essentially this can go many ways. Again, we are in a correction. I always try to warn you when we get into corrections that it can take a while. It can be frustrating. We have to, let's say, reduce expectations in corrections, because it will be, typically it's a bit of a roller coaster. It's normally a lot of directionless up and down, which we have seen basically. See, we haven't really moved. I mean, just all we've done is a little bit of up and down, but literally since this correction started, the price hasn't done much. And therefore, this is still very corrective price action. It seems like we had our 3 waves down. I mentioned to you from the beginning that this was a 3-wave move down, that we therefore would have to expect a high B wave, or I've now relabeled it as X wave. Doesn't make a great difference. And then obviously with the 5-wave move down, in my opinion, the highest probability pattern is a WXY, because in the Y wave, we also have an ABC, and the A wave, again, is a 5-wave move. So it makes sense. And then the C wave should be a 5-wave move. What I cannot rule out is that this small B wave will extend a bit. But if we now get a break below that swing low that was made on the 13th of December at around $13.90, then we have confirmation that we're coming down in wave C of Y. I gave you some levels to watch. Generally, the orange support area is relevant, with key support down there around $9.75. So we have to remain patient. I wouldn't be surprised if this correction takes a little longer, maybe even into the new year. But actually, the wave count shows that we could be not far off. I mean, again, just imagine this B wave extends a bit. That will, that can easily take another week. So, we're not far off from 2024. So it can still possibly move into January before we see a little bit of action. But anyway, it's still not bearish. Yeah, I just see this currently as correction within an overall uptrend that has begun. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.